Parenting and I'm Dr. Sindhu Thomas, and today is celebrated as World Mental Health Day, and this is an initiative taken by World Federation for Mental Health. And for 2020, the theme of this day's celebration is Mental Health for All, a greater access and a greater investment. In this current time, COVID-19 pandemic has really twisted all aspects of the world, from education of a baby till the end life of a person is affected by this pandemic. If you have seen, the stress level of the people has really increased, along with their anxiety, uncertainty, and the social distancing. The inability to connect each other has increased the emotional stress and tension of each and every person, and the reality to connect to the world has been really changed. Since this is a parenting channel, I would like to take your attention on mental health regarding the family members. So I would like to cluster the family into a father figure, mother figure, and a child figure, because nuclear family is prevalent in this place. So first, let us see how the pandemic has affected the father figure of the family. Since the father or the dad of the house is concerned with meeting the basic needs of the family, he goes out, and this pandemic has really stressed or affected the job stability of the person and sustainability. Another thing is the fear of being attacked by corona is mainly in men, because they are the people who's going outside the house to be the breadwinning member of the family. And if you see the statistics, what is happening inside in our place as well as the world is, majority of the corona is attacked by the men of the society than the women. Coming to the mother figure, we need to understand that the routine of the family is very much affected, because there is a set pattern in a family. In the morning, father will go to the work, the children will go to the school. So now this is affected, and the entire family is inside the four walls, and the workload has been increased. That is, mother need to cook in the morning, afternoon, evening, and the night, so that whatever work they are doing has been doubled. And the second point what we can discuss under mother is their personal time has been reduced. The mother always, or the mother figure always had a me time inside their house once the work is done, and they can enjoy whatever leisure activities what they can do, but that is also affected. Another point we can discuss with the mother is we can understand that in a marriage there are so many conflicts and unresolved issues, and they were going in a balance because father goes in the morning and there is time for the mother so that they can balance it. Now that space is also has been reduced. And the final point I would like to touch from the mother side is they have their own groups of friends, especially for homemakers. That is, after their routine work, they chat with them, they talk, and there is some relaxation technique. Some will go to gym, or some may talk about or gossip about something. All this has been completely interrupted by pandemic. The last member of a nuclear family is a child, and the trendy things of childbearing is all the parents are happy with one child. And in this era or in this time, the mainly affected aspect of a child is the communication, because the children are not allowed to go and relate to the same age person, so their communication is completely blocked. And the second point is their outdoor games has been replaced by indoor games and more into internet facility, where as parents, as teachers, and all the authorities are giving chance for the child to go and use the mobile and assess. Even we don't know what they're going to assess. And the third thing what I would like to highlight on a child is the method of communication. Before, we used to tell the child to talk to others, whereas in this time the method of communication became non-verbal, not even non-verbal, through the digital world, where the teacher or the mother or the father is not able to understand what emotions they are going through. So this is the another change what we can see because of this pandemic. And these factors highlighted under the headings of a dad, mother, and the child tells us the need of mental health in this time. The initial days of pandemic were very thrilling and fun-filled because all the family members, that is parents, children, all got time to spend a quality time with their loved ones, because closeness or spending quality time was not there because we all were busy in our career, education and other activities. But pandemic gave us time to be together. So on those days, people invested their time in broader perspectives like playing with children, cooking new dishes and watching movies through various apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime. But the pandemic is extended for a prolonged time than anyone can imagine. So what happened then? The reality struck people and they understood that not only the time spending under the four wall is not effective, we need to adjust to the change mentally and physically to see or to face the further catastrophes. Since there is a lack of a mental health in majority of the people, what we can see is there is an alarming rise in suicide this time, and there is increased case of marital issues, and there were more virtual relationships, and the apps are coming up with secret rooms to share anything what we cannot do in public, and children going into unwanted sites involved in internet games. So these can be seen which is not addressed and increasing the pressure inside each and every person. So if we see the context, addressing a good mental health is the need of the hour. And I would say there are mainly four ways we can come up or choose to address each and every issues of all the members of the family so that we can be in a safer zone. The first way or the first step is ask the inner man what you have. Sindhu has an inner man inside, so learn to communicate with the inner person, and you can write it down and be clear what are the issues I'm finding it difficult, that I'm not able to communicate to other person, and what is affecting the peace of my mind. So this is the first step what we can do to have the better mental health. The second way or the second step is do not normalize. Tell the inner man inside that whatever problem you are facing or whatever issue you are affected is not normal, and don't make it normal. Tell to your inner man that you are valuable and the issue need to be addressed so that you can restore your mental health. The third way or the third step is seek the help. It's always good to take the help from professionals than amateurs. When you discuss a problem to another person or a group of people, you can get their sympathy, but you're not going to get the solution. And later, you are going to be a subject of gossip, and later a subject of mockery. It resembles the proverb, too many spoils the soup. So it's better to avoid discussing your intimate subjects or the subjects that can be critiqued by others to a group of stupid people. Better take help from professionals. And the final way or the final step of a better mental health is connect. Connect with organizations or NGOs that provide or give ways to have a mental support or better mental health. And if we can see that there is the sensitive issues has been addressed or gender-wise issues has been addressed. So it's always good that we are going to take help from them because there are trained people to address each and every issues. If you search for the same, you will get the helpline number to address or to find out what is the solution for the issues what we are going through. If you see in UGC guidelines or University Grant Commission, a new initiative has been come up called Manodarpan, and there are various activities to address the psychological and emotional issues of a student, parent as well as a teacher, and how to cope up to have a better mental health during this COVID-19 pandemic. As counselors from our team, we are also extending a helping hand in a bigger platform to deal with emotional and mental issues by launching a new channel, and this will be a help for you. And till that time, stay tuned and stay safe. God bless.